In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up cross-device tracking in Google Analytics. Cross-device tracking in Google Analytics 4, also called GA4, helps you understand how people move between mobile, desktop, and tablet while interacting with your business. Instead of seeing separate sessions that look like different users, GA4 can connect more of that activity into a clearer journey. One of the most effective ways to improve cross-device measurement is by enabling Google Signals, which uses aggregated data from users who are signed in to Google and have ad personalization turned on. To get started, sign in to Google Analytics and go to the Analytics home screen. This is the main landing page where you can confirm you are in the correct GA4 property. If you manage multiple accounts or properties, take a moment to make sure the right one is selected before you change any settings. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and click Admin. The Admin area is where GA4 keeps property settings, data configuration, and policy controls. Since cross-device features are tied to data policies, this is the correct place to enable them. Inside Admin, find and click Data Collection. This section controls settings related to how Google can collect and use certain types of data in your property. These options can affect reporting features, audience capabilities, and how well GA4 can recognize users across devices. Now click Google Signals Data Collection. This opens the Google Signals Settings panel. Review what the feature does and any notes about availability. Google Signals can enhance cross-device reporting and support reporting features like demographics and interests, but it can also depend on user consent and regional privacy requirements. Click Google Signals Data Collection again to proceed with enabling or managing the setting, depending on what you see in your account. If you are prompted to confirm, read each message carefully and follow the on-screen prompts. After you enable Google Signals, it can take some time before you see changes reflected in reports, since GA4 needs to process new data going forward. Once this is turned on, you have completed the setup shown here, and that is all there is to it.